These are the elevators at the brand new Hilton Garden Inn in Wesley Chapel, Florida. Let's go up to 6. Oh wow, it's open, yay. Got some brand new 2019 Otis Newer Series 2 Gen 2 elevators here. Thing's a little slow. But yeah, this is a brand new hotel. There's your interlock. And there's your controller is in there. 6. I'm gonna get a, you know what, I'm gonna get a still shot of that. You can hear the controller in action. But yeah, pretty nice new elevators. Let's go down to 1. 1R is locked. Let's get a cab view. Very nice cabs. All right, we'll go one more time. And you know what, we'll send this one down. We'll get a look up here at a hallway. I accidentally stopped the video, but here's a view out. Not much to see, but you can see you got an outdoor pool here. An ice machine up here. But yeah, very nice brand new hotel. It's the hallway. All right, we're gonna go call it back down. It's gonna be this one. It might be that one, I don't know. Well, we're gonna find out sooner or later. And we got this one. Oh, sorry. Here's a look. This is just a regular elevator cab, no rear doors on this one. All right, we'll go down to 1. And we'll take one more ride, since this is the other car. Even though they probably both run the same. Accidentally stopped the video again. I was trying to get a still of that. The lantern. Alright, down to 1. Well, let me ring it first. Look at that. Alright, down to 1. I'm gonna get off at 1. And there it goes. That's it.